Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your watch. First, find the crown, which is the small knob typically on the right side of your watch. Gently pull it out. Some watches have two positions, one for the date and one for the time. For time setting, you'll usually pull it out to the furthest position. This action stops the second hand on many watches, allowing for precise adjustments. Once the crown is in the time-setting position, rotate it to move the hour and minute hands. Turning it clockwise will advance the time. A helpful tip for accuracy is to set the minute hand a few minutes past the desired time, then slowly turn the crown counterclockwise to bring it back to the exact minute. This removes any play in the gears, ensuring a more precise setting. For watches with a date function, you'll typically push the crown in one click from the time-setting position. This is often the first position when pulling the crown out. Rotate the crown to adjust the date. It's crucial to avoid changing the date between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m., as the watch's internal date change mechanism is engaged during this period, and manual adjustment can cause damage. Always set the date outside this danger zone. After setting both the time and date, carefully push the crown all the way back into the watch case. Make sure it's securely seated to ensure your watch maintains its water resistance. If you have a mechanical watch that isn't automatic, you'll need to wind it. To do this, simply rotate the crown clockwise while it's in the fully pushed-in position, usually about 20 to 30 turns, until you feel resistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.